Hello, hello, hello. Okay, let me just set up stuff. I have update on Pipecast. I did start working on it last night, and I got my camera to work. And I still need to. Thing is, I'm not sure right now the working of it because I need to implement the like StreamYard right now has this green screen background, right? I need to put that in Pipecast because I don't want it to show up. Like I don't want my room to be shown basically. And plus, like I want like this what do you say feature of whatever background I can put because tomorrow I might just put Node logo as the background. Anyway, so let me just set up everything. Oh my God, Shasha, what's up? No, I'm not. I'm not late. Thank you very much. Uh, 1 second. I'm just popping out chat and setting everything up. Oh, so also I'm gonna stream for like an hour because I do have to go out at 6:30. So we're gonna stream I'm gonna implement one small thing of like how do we screen share. So we'll focus on that. And yep, chat is up. I think we can share. Yeah, I think we can share. Okay, I need to sit up straight because yeah. Screen share, brother. Screen share. Yeah. What's up, Shashwat? How's work going? Okay. Is it screen sharing? Yeah. So I also need to later think about how to. I have to work up in 1 hour, so maybe I'll just leave this in BG. Done, 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 done. Works. This is going to be a code with me stream. Like now, at least for the next few streams, I'm just going to basically focus on coding more than streaming or talking. So I like normally talk how I talk to myself. I don't know what's the progress of it, but make it for Wayland. Make what for Wayland? Pipecast. It's Electron right now, so it'll work on everything. Like right now, I'll show you the progress. Npm dev, and if I come here, thing is, I'm worried about my RAM like a little bit. So this is like a bit expensive. So right now, just this, I can switch on my camera. I'm not gonna do it now because like I don't want to show my room. But basically, the way this works is very easy actually. I didn't expect it to be this easy, brother. Camera, it's just this much. This whole media. I basically have to. This is the browser web APIs. So I need to ask the media devices of the user. I need to see which one I want. I want both video and audio because you know. Then I have a video element over here which I'm holding a reference to, and I'm gonna be like, hey, if you have the reference to the video, change the source object with the media stream I get, and then set show camera to. That's just for rendering. Like this will then show my camera. So that's the progress, and I do need to handle error states better. Right now, I've just done this according to the documentation, so I'll do that later. That's like code cleanup we can do later. Um, Make it for Wayland because we don't know how long Xorg is going to be. Yes, I don't think that's how it works because Wayland has different protocols and all. Damn, the stream is lagging. It's lagging? Oh no. It's better now? Thank God. Okay. So yeah, that's what I'm going to not do this too much. Anyway, so I will tell you how like this works. This thing, navigator.media devices. I'm not sure what navigator exactly. Read-only property that returns a reference to the navigator object, which has methods and properties about the application. But I'm not sure what exactly navigator is. Leaving that aside, you can apparently access like media devices through an object, and then you ask whether you can get user media or not. You pass in the options you want, and these are the constraints. Like I'll check this out later, but this can be like this can be a boolean. This can be brother. Yeah, this can be a what do you say boolean. This can be undefined. This can be media track constraints. Media track constraints is a whole object that you can do where you can be like, hey, this is the frame rate, this is the height and width I want. So that's pretty cool. Same for audio, by the way. Media track constraints, boolean and undefined, whatnot. Then what we have is basically this value. If you see, this is media stream. And if you think what goes into a video, it is also a media stream, right? So that's what we're doing here. This feed ref dot current is basically this is you can think of this as the video element. So I just well, yeah, think of it like this: video dot source object is the media stream, and this is how like it'll capture everything from here and then send it to that video element that I have here. So this is how it works, right? And yeah, stop media if you want to stop it, where I'm basically saying that here, get the media stream I have right now, get all the tracks I have here. For each track, stop it, So basically, that would mean like audio. I'm guessing that would mean audio and video. Stop all of it, make it null, and then don't show the camera anymore. So it's pretty simple. And now I just want to have a video to, have a component to basically screen share, like I'm doing right now. I need to do that here. So that's what we're going to focus on. Electron, by the way, great documentation. And this, yeah, I was just Googling this thing. Turns out you don't need to do this, by the way. At least I've not needed to do this. Where you have, there are two processes in Electron, right? One is the main process and one is the renderer process, and you talk to each other through IPC. So this part happens in the main process, the backend basically. I didn't need to do this. So I don't know why Google is telling me to do this, but I did not need to do this. This works without that. So anyway, yeah, these are all the errors that are there anyway. Inter-process communication. Okay, how to capture screen share in Electron. By the way, no AI has been used other than scaffolding some stuff. So in Electron with JS. One second, I'm getting a good song. Yeah, okay, this is decent. Desktop capture, perfect, let's go. Actually, this, no, access information about media sources that can be used to capture audio from the desktop using the, yeah. Oh, I did not see this before. Huh, I did not know this was a thing. Or maybe you do need to do this. Desktop capture.get sources types is screen. Oh no, this is for screen, right? How to capture video from a desktop window. Oh yeah, this is it. This is what I want. I'll leave this running in the background. Done. But I'm just gonna work also. Like this is supposed to be like both of us are gonna work. So co-work stream. Let's go. Okay. In case I'm talking too much, let me know. I'll mute myself. Session default session. Set display media request handle. Grant access to the first screen found. Okay. Interesting. If true, use the system picker available. Note this is currently experimental. If the system picker is available, it will be used and the media request will not be invoked. I'll mute myself. What did you want? What? Brother. I can just mute you from, that's true. That fair. I was just trying to be supportive, Why will you mute your own stream? I don't know, just why not? I think you're the only viewer, so does not permit the use of device ID for a selection. Okay, get display media. Okay, display media is different from get user media. Makes sense. User media is basically your user devices, and display media would be your display, like screen and whatnot, I'm guessing. So that's interesting. Now we would need a video for that as well. So I'm going to make for the lack of a better component, screenshare.tsx, RFC, my own plugin, by the way. I'm going to follow like specific, actually, RAFCE, no, RFCE. Yeah, this is the thing I'm following. Anyway, the screenshot share. So what I need to do is, okay, one sec. Const show screen. Is that spelling correct? Show screen. Equal to use state. This is going to be a boolean. This is going to be false for effect. Function get screen or get display, I guess, get display media. Now the thing is, I don't want the display media. It's going to be async, by the way, video. I don't want the display media of like the audio. I only want my stream because like that would make sense, right? Whoa. Okay, console.error for now. We'll handle that later. To do handle errors, better, better. Okay. Now what we need is equal to const something await navigator dot media devices or display dot get display media. This will also give me a okay, and I'm guessing video should be true. Can I get audio? Oh, but I don't want audio to be true. Okay, media stream. Let's go. Okay, and then I would need this thing. Same. I think I can put the same thing here. Yeah, I can just yeah. Except feed ref, it's gonna be screen ref. That's what I'm gonna call it. Show screen. Show screen button. Yeah, stock media, that's what I need. Get media, this will be get display media. Okay. Yeah, we should have a stock media. Create that function. I don't think I need to keep that. It's like stock display media. I should probably call that one user media also, just for better convention, but we'll change that later. Stock display media. I'm just trying like one-shotting it from my end because I think I understand what to do now. I just need to keep a track of that thing of permission for the display. Screen ref is equal to use ref, which will be HTML video element and null. This is going to be null. Yes. I don't think I need any of that. Yeah, okay. Stop sharing. Share screen. Yep. Okay. If screen ref dot current is not present, console dot error screen ref is not defined, is undefined. Right, I'm gonna return from here, and I need to keep it above. Yeah, okay. And then what I'm going to do is screen ref dot current dot source object is equal to my media stream, and then I'm going to be like, hey, set show screen as true. And the same thing I'm going to do here, except I'm going to do it false. And then I'm going to be like, hey, const something is equal to screen ref dot current dot source object media stream const tracks is equal to media stream dot get tracks. Oh, as media stream, not media source, media stream. Yeah, get tracks. Is this? Yeah, okay. Tracks dot for each track. You want to stop it. Correct. And then, yeah, pretty nice. Okay. This is done. And then I need to basically get this right. Okay. This is great. Audio to I don't want audio. Then stream, video object stream, video unloaded, metadata. I have auto true for that. So that's not something I'm scared about. Oh, but I have video dot pause. Do I want pause or do I want stop? Okay, let's see. Yeah, we need to allow this from the following examples of how to capture video. This is in process main, and this is in renderer. Right. Okay, so let's try it without app assets camera. Actually, I don't even know why I'm doing that. I don't think I need to camera. Is that not how it works? Yeah, that's what I thought. Screen share. Got it. Do I have too many browser tabs open? I don't think I need YouTube, so I can delete that. I don't need that. This we might need. Yeah, that's helpful. Dev. Um, okay, that's something. Why is that? Huh, that is your screen share. Oh, yeah, share screen not supported. Okay, is this because um, Electron not supported error? It's trying to run. Okay, so let's try now adding this part. App.whenReady, main index, app.whenReady, there you go. Set model ID, blah, 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 blah. Create window. And then we can be like, grant permissions. And I'm going to come here, function grant permissions. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to be like, hey, there you go. Yeah, that stuff I need to. Sessions, I think, comes from Electron, right? No? Yeah, session comes from Electron. Desktop capture comes from Electron. And I think it's good to go. Request is unused. Yeah, I'll just not use it. No? Anyway, I think I have to like restart when I change the main process. I think that's how it works. Okay, moment of truth, boys. Yeah, okay. Oh, why is Wi-Fi down? No, okay. Oh, okay. Hey, let's go. Wait, so does that mean if I have this screen share, does that mean I have this screen also shared? Oh, I think it is. Oh, it is. It so is. Oh, okay. That's nice. And okay, okay. That was pretty much it. I think grant permissions. Uh, Actually, yeah. Let's keep it to that itself. Um, Use system picker. True if the available native system should be used. Default is false. Mac was experimental. Oh, okay. And this is the callback. Shouldn't I know? Like, how do I know this? How many screens can there be there? You know, like that's what I want to know. That was easy. Yeah, it was pretty easy. No, that's what. Like, it's just boom, boom. Time for a Siri, right? Let's go. Yeah, I'll make the thing first and then I'll see. It would be fun project to read and see actually. So the thing is, like the whole thing is, I need to if I can get the UI correct. Like if let's say this is my UI right now, right? If I let's say full screen this, like if this is my UI, oh whoa whoa whoa, what is happening? Whoa whoa whoa, brother, chill. That was weird. Okay, anyway, like let's say this is my, I get this, and now my goal is, instead of chat being like this, I want it to be like how Twitch chat comes in, like all these other streamers ke chat mein, where you have like Prime ka chat, Bash ka chat, Teach ka chat, where they have it there or they have it here, where it's like overlaying. That's what I want to create. I think I'll probably create that with the canvas. So once I get my screen correct, where I can get my like UI correct, I will take all of that media stream. I will take that video. I will send it to the backend, and then in the backend with FFmpeg, probably we're going to convert it to RTMPS, and then we're going to send it to like YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, all of that. So that's the goal of like this whole project. So, and honestly, if it's pretty decent, if it's pretty good, even like let's say with C, might just make it into a paid thing, cheaper than all the other ones. One time payment and done. But I have, like OBS is free, so I think OBS is free. I'm not sure actually. So anyway, let's think about all of that later. Point is, let's make it work first. So yeah, that was pretty much easy. Grant the permission. Same process. You get the media, whatever you want. So in this case, you're getting the display media. You're taking the video. You're taking the source object of it, replacing that with the media stream, and then when you want to remove it, you're putting that source object as null. So OBS doesn't support multi-platform stream. Well, I call that a market opportunity, brother. So okay, so that that was the whole stream, dude. What do I do now? Uh, okay, so oh, I do have a to do. Make a basic live stream implementation, stream to only YouTube, blah 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 blah. Okay, so now two parts are done. Two parts are done, which is screen share and camera. I will do the UI stuff, like how to, like I don't want to deal with my camera right now. I'll probably add in the green screen thing. So I'll do that off stream and then see if it works. If it works, then amazing, great. And what else? Hmm, thing is, if I can get I'll probably use a strategy pattern for this because I'm going to be streaming to multiple platforms. And the thing is, if I'm streaming to multiple platforms, I would want it to. I'm not sure if we have to do this from the API or we have like YouTube or Twitch will do it from their end. But after the stream is done, YouTube will like give it up, put it up as a video, like the current streams that is there. So I'll see that part. And these overlays are something we could use, you know. And the thing is, oh, I would also want like um, we're gonna make a features MD. Um, features to have music player, player. Actually, instead of music, let's do audio player. Audio player. Yeah. So like I can play whatever music I want. I can upload the music I want and whatnot. Blah blah blah. So uh, that's one. What else? Um, and this is all like purely UI stuff. Overlays. Oh my god, overlays. Yeah. So that is one thing. Overlays is something. Background, yeah, green screen. That's what we're working on. What else can we see? Brand color, blah blah blah. Yeah, these are like small things. I'm not worried about that. Widgets, polls. Oh, polls would be nice to have actually. We'll check that. Teleprompter. People. Oh, I can add people, right? I don't think we need that. Not right now. Private chat. Private chat. Damn. Banners. This is an example of a banner. Click on a banner to show it on screen. How do you create a banner? Oh, will see that later. But yeah, music is something I want to add. This is a new update. I really like this. I probably want to implement this in my thing. Like they have this. Am I not playing music? Dude, I am such an idiot. I selected the wrong thing. Yeah, so you see this thing, yeah, like this whole track thing, very nice detail. So I would like to add that on my thing. And the thing is, we need to make this like performant also. So anyway, we'll worry about all that later. So this is done. Um, question is, how can I render chat? You know, and it will be probably how to get YouTube chat from live stream through from API. Because if I can get this, yeah, live chat messages, YouTube live streaming API. Because the thing is, if I can get chat from both YouTube and Twitch, I can be like, hey, show both the chat on here. That would be a cool addition. And then I can add like a logo, like this is from YouTube, this is from Twitch. That'd be fun. List live chat messages for specific chats. Stream list, enable the streaming server connection. Oh, I can add in this stuff, yeah. Add a message or poll to a live chat. This is probably I need to add, yeah. So let's add in that. Chat from different platforms under one canvas, under one like component probably. Ref. So yeah, let's look at that later. Anyway, so I can't actually wait to start working with YouTube APIs. So that'll be fun. E-tag and whatever. Yeah. Honestly, I thought there would be more to the stream because this is like the only thing I had planned, and I think we're done with it. So yeah, that's pretty fun. I do need to check, like, how will I do that? Like, if I share my screen, right, and then like my camera is on, my screen sharing is on. Let's say I overlay one over the other. I figured that out. How will I send that to YouTube? You know what I mean? Like, I'll probably have to be like, hey, like, we're gonna pull up Excalibur. Yeah, like for example, this camera, let's say, this is a media stream. The screen share we have, this is a media stream. Then the chat overlay we're gonna have, that is like going to be a component which will just update whenever you get a new message and boom, 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 boom. Now, what I need to do or what I need to check is that, hey, this whole thing that we have, I want this whole thing as a video stream, and then this, the like buffer or whatever that is like I can get from here, this I will send to my, what do you say, my main process. This is where I'll convert it to RTMPS and then send it off to different platforms. So platforms, like this is basically what I need to figure out next. How can I put them together and then take it as a whole, like take all of it as one whole thing and then send it to the mainframe. So that is something I need to figure out. That will be interesting. So yeah, honestly, it's half an hour. I think I'll stream for half an hour. The thing is, the only thing that I'm stopping from myself like right now is because of this camera thing. So I'll implement this green screen off camera and then I'll like be better prepared for everything else. So I think I'll cut the stream short, like just keep it to half an hour, and I'll get prepared, like ready for where I need to go also. So yeah, short stream. I think maybe because today's a short stream, maybe I can stream tomorrow. Do I have plans for tomorrow? I will check later. Okay. Anyway, I think I'll cut the stream short today. Tomorrow we'll see. But yeah, pretty fun, pretty easy implementation actually. Chalo. We will do the C rewrite once this is done. Chalo, bye. I'm gonna stop screen sharing. Alright, see you next week. Bye bye. End stream.